In this video, I'm doing a DIY, so if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and this is your first time visiting my channel. Welcome. I'm so glad you're here, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on the budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below and give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now today I'm doing a DIY. Well, you know I'm not too much of a DIYer. I only do things that I really need. I don't want to be making stuff that I really necessarily don't need, and I'm not very good at it anyway. But this is something I thought about doing, and I did okay. It was very basic, very easy, and I thought I would show you how I did it. So if you're interested in seeing what it is, stick around. Now these are the 3 frames that I thrifted, and I showed you in a haul in an earlier video. I'll try to remember to link that video up in the iCard. Now everything I'm doing is pretty much basic. I'm cutting open the frames, cutting the tape, taking the picture that's in there out because I am going to paint them. And paint them, I'm going to paint them black because they have scratches on them and the color they are brown, and I don't want it brown. So I'm going to shut up talking and let you watch. Now what I'm going to do next is take the glass out. I'm going to do the other 2, and then I'm going to take these outside and touch up the paint with some black paint because they have some nicks in them, as you see, nicks. And I have something else I'm going to put inside, and it's going to be really nice. So I'll be back once I take all these 3 apart. Now it has been painted. So next step will be to use this poster board. Well, I went to the Dollar Tree to get poster board, and this is all they had. So I'm using this board, and I'm using my my X-Acto knife, and I have scissors, and I was going to try to use this frame to cut the insert out, but I'm using it a different way. So now what I'm going to be doing is placing it inside and cutting around the outside of that to use it in those those frames that I painted black. Now I evened it up with the inside corner to hold it down because your girl here has a problem with cutting straight lines. Yes, I do. So with me putting it tight in that fold, it makes it a little easier for me to be able to cut a straight line. Now, if you're familiar with the sign I had on the wall that said live, laugh, and love, it was vinyl. So I peeled it off the wall because I wanted to be able to have this sign to take with me when I move. So I decided to make it into a frame. So I ordered another set of the vinyl letters. As you see, I'm cutting it out, and I'm going to place it in the center here and hope to get it all even. So I'm gonna stop talking and let you watch. Now it's just about putting it all together and closing in all the hooks. Well, those staples to hold the cardboard in place. Now this is how it looks. It came out pretty cute. I got it centered pretty much the way I want it to look, and the black frame that goes along with everything else I have going on in the walls here in my family room and formal dining room. So now it's just about putting them in place. They are a little wider than I would like for them to be, but for $5 a frame, that's not a bad deal. And this is not my forever home. So when I do move from here, they will be put elsewhere, but I do like the way they turned out. Now it's just about placement right now. Trying to make sure no one hits it when they cut on the light in the dining room, thinking it's the light for the kitchen. Here is the placement on the wall, how the pictures look. Live every moment, laugh every day. I think they came out really nice. And love beyond words. Now yes, laugh is crooked. That's the way I wanted it, because you're not gonna have a straight face when you laugh. But I really like the way it turned out on these picture frames. Again, like I said, they're a little thicker than I would, or wider than I would like for them to be, but they do the job. So they fit well right underneath my bar cart when I put it back in place, and I'm extremely happy with the way it turned out. So this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed.